Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, you can see I have before you some delicious, homemade, from scratch, smothered turkey wings and gravy. That's right. I'm going to show you guys how to make these smothered turkey wings and gravy, baked turkey wings in your oven with homemade turkey gravy from scratch. This recipe is tasty and delicious. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell. Let's get into this video. Okay, everyone. Today, I'm going to be making some turkey wings and gravy. What you will need is you will need you some turkey wings, okay? Make sure you wash them, dry them off. You're going to need a pan big enough to fit your turkey wings in. You're going to need some chicken broth, okay? Here I have some onions, celery, and bell pepper. And I have a chicken bouillon, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this chicken bouillon into my chicken broth so that it can dissolve. Here I have my seasonings, okay? This is some paprika and some Old Bay. Paprika and Old Bay seasoning, okay? Here I have some garlic powder and a little salt. Don't need much salt content. This is about about 2 teaspoons, okay? Then here you have some parsley, some ground black pepper, some onion powder. And for that onion powder, use about a half a tablespoon, okay? And for the black pepper, I got a tablespoon and a half. I have some Tony Saturated Creole seasoning, and I have 3 bay leaves, okay? And I have 3 tablespoons of flour to create our slurry for our gravy, okay? So now let's go over here to our oven. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hit bake, and we're gonna preheat it to 350 degrees, okay? Okay, also you will need some aluminum foil. You need a whisk or a fork to mix your slurry, okay? Okay, you guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to go in and I'm going to sprinkle the seasoning on every wing. Okay, you guys, remember I am using garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika, parsley, Old Bay, and some Tony Saturated Creole seasoning. So I'm going to sprinkle that seasoning all over each wing, and I am going to get ready after I sprinkle all the seasoning on each turkey wing. I am going to rub that seasoning in. That's correct. Rub that seasoning in. Give those turkey wings a great massage like I am doing here. Make sure that you get the seasoning in the inner part of the elbow of the wing, the cracks and the crevices, because this is what's going to help give these wings some delicious flavor. And remember, if you don't have the seasonings that I use, trust me, salt, black pepper will do just fine. Salt, black pepper, garlic powder will do just fine, okay? Now, when you are rubbing your seasoning, and I'm trying to show you here how I got it in the folds, okay? Get ready to make sure you fold the tip of the wings under and place the tip of the wings on the bottom, because we don't want to burn the tips of the wings, okay? Now, I'm going to go in and I'm going to place my celery, my bell pepper, and my onion, that holy trinity. That's correct. The celery, the bell pepper, and the onion. Place some on top of the wings and also place some at the bottom of the pan, because once it's cooking, it's going to release all of that aroma into our wings. And the measurement of the celery, the bell pepper, and onion, I cannot give the exact. I think it's all together about 1 cup because I bought that Holy Trinity pack out of the grocery store. You know how they have the pre-chopped celery, the pre-chopped bell pepper, the pre-chopped onion. When they had a pre-chopped Holy Trinity, not Holy Trinity, the Trinity of the celery, the bell pepper, and onion chopped. Now I'm going to place, this is 1 stick of butter on top of the wings. I just cut it up. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, okay? It's 3 bay leaves. Now let's make our slurry that's going to help make this gravy. The 3 tablespoons of flour to 2 cups of chicken broth. What's going to happen is in the oven while the wings are cooking, our slurry is going to thicken up during the process, and it's going to mix in with the juices from the turkey, and it's going to make that turkey gravy. And remember, that's chicken broth. That's 2 cups of chicken broth, and I have 3 tablespoons of flour, okay? You can use 4 tablespoons if you want it to be even thicker. Now, after you mix your slurry mixture to go in your turkey wings, I'm just going to go and pour it in like so, okay? To the bottom of the pan, okay? I'm not going to pour it on top of the wings because if you pour it on top of the wings, all that seasoning, the onions, the bell pepper, and the celery, and the butter is going to fall off. Okay, so now that we have our turkey wings seasoned up for our smothered turkey wings, I decided to go in and add 1 more cup of liquid. This is optional. You don't have to go in and add 1 more cup if you choose not to. I chose to go in and add 1 more cup because I think I want more gravy. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and I am going to cover my pan of turkey wings for my smothered turkey wings in gravy. That's right, that's right, that's right. I'm going to cover it, and we are going to bake these wings at 350 degrees for 2 hours. And the reason why we are going to bake them for 2 hours is so that they can be falling off the bone, 350 degrees for 2 hours, okay? The last 30 minutes of the wing process, we are going to uncover the wings and allow them to cook for the last 30 minutes so they can get that beautiful brown color on the wings. And you're going to see how this gravy thickens up in the oven. So remember, 350 degrees for 2 hours. So let's go ahead and place it in the oven. Okay, everyone, so our wings have cooked for approximately 2 hours on the dot. We are going to uncover our wings, and we are going to bake them for another 30 minutes. Now, if you like your gravy thin, like so, you can leave it this way. But if you want your gravy to be thicker, what you can do is get some of the sauce that is at the bottom, which has the turkey broth, and place it into another cup. Add you about a tablespoon of flour. That's about a half a cup and 1 tablespoon of flour. And you're going to mix that together, and you are going to pour that back into your pan. Making sure that you pour it around the turkey wings, okay? And I'm going to show you how to do that. You do it like so, okay? Like that around the turkey wings. And what's going to happen, you guys, is that it is going to thicken up into a thicker gravy. Now, this is for those who like a thicker gravy. I want to show you thin and thick. If you like it thin, you leave it the way that it is, and you go ahead and place it back in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes until your wings are as brown as you like them, okay? So now we're going to place them back in the oven uncovered, and now they're out. We've cooked them for the 30 extra minutes. This is the finished product of our smothered turkey wings in gravy. Smothered turkey wings. And yes, this is turkey gravy. This is from scratch. We didn't have to use a packet of gravy or anything because you're getting the juice from the turkey wings. And then also you had that chicken broth. Okay. The only thing that I would suggest is to be careful with the salt content. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give it a big thumbs up. Once again, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. Have a great day.